But we have a problem. I really love camo, but I have no camo pants. So today, we're gonna make some camo sweatpants. So I thrifted this camo bed sheet. Got it for about, it's like $2.50. And we're gonna make pants out of it. So we got that laid down. We're gonna get our pattern. Oh, technically it's the front right because the writing's on there, but all you have to do is just flip it over and then you'll have your left side. We'll get our pattern weight, go to Old Reliable, now we'll cut it out. So here's our front right. All you gotta do is just put this on the other side. We'll put it face down. Front left, front right. Money. Now let's get the backs. Okay, now we got our back right. So we got all 4 panels. We are now gonna make pockets. So now I gotta figure out what kind of material we want for our pockets. I have so much that it doesn't really matter. I really like graphic pockets. You can't really see them obviously, but it's just a little detail I like. Like you look into your pocket, or you see a Pikachu or something. Pretty cool. I just have to find my Pokemon fabric. And to be honest, I don't know if I have enough of it anyway, so we're just gonna find something. Cause really, who cares? If I like it, I like it. If you don't like it, damn. This little piece will at least work for 1 pocket, 2 panels, and then we'll have to find another for 2 panels. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna measure 7 inches, well 6.5 about, and that's our pocket opening. Now, we'll go 1 inch out on both the top and bottom of the opening. Now, what we want to do, well, I'm just going to freehand this, but you'll get the gist. We're going to come up and go down. Just like that. And you can really have your pocket as big or small as you want, up to your liking. Now we'll cut this bad boy out. Just like that. Now we have both pocket panels. This is considered 1 pocket, and now we gotta get our other pocket. It's nice and folded, ready to become a pocket. You may say, Cody, you waste a lot of material just for pockets. And I'll tell you this, no I don't. Everything that gets cut is used somehow. Whether it's I use it or I bring it to the homie and they use the scraps. Nothing gets tossed. Nothing gets sent to the dumpster. So chill. Got our pocket. We're gonna save this one for our other panel. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna incorporate the waistband. We're just gonna fake it. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Just like that. Back to me sleeping, yeah. So we finished up this. Got the zigzag. Now let's get the other. So all 4 leg panels are done with the pockets sewn to them. So now what we're gonna do, trim up this excess thread. This is our back right. I'm gonna lay this face side up. Our front right, place this right side down. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna pin right here, stop here, we'll pin our pocket, and then continue. Not doing anything here, since it's our pocket opening. We're gonna do the exact same for the other, and then we'll sew. With the needle in, we'll rotate our fabric. And now we'll sew the pocket. So here's our right side and here's our left. Money. We'll press this and then I'll catch you after. So we got this nice and pressed. What I'm gonna do, we got this facing up. Doesn't matter which one really is. And then we're gonna place our other side face down. Get this pinned. You may ask, Cody, why are you using red top thread? Because I can. Like, I'm not here to do things the same as everyone else. We're here to be different, provide good content, and make dope shit. Let's check it out. Boom. Let's get the back. Okay, that's pinned. I'm gonna sew this and then I'll catch you when that's sewn. So now we have the back and the front sewn. Now what we gotta do is just get this inner thigh area. Our inner thigh area all pinned up, and now we're gonna sew it. Money. We gotta get the waistband and then we gotta hem the legs. Good amount. Boom. Push that down. And now, with my right hand, I'm gonna be putting tension on this elastic band, and then with my left hand, I'm just gonna pull. So while I'm putting tension on this, it'll still be able to feed through without it just constantly going in the same spot. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold this over, and then we'll sew again. Finish that fold, we'll do one more fold, and then it'll be done. We got the inside. We rocking with these. I'm on. My problem of having no camo pants is solved. Pockets, drop a comment below. What are we thinking? They're super comfy. The pants are super lightweight. I'm glad I didn't add a backing. I live in Arizona, so I don't want to be sweating. And they're still secure enough. Like, you really don't need a backing. It's just a little extra security. I can squat, move around all these all day without even thinking of having an issue. I have trust in my work. Regardless, every pair of pants I make, I wear them to work. We can wear whatever, so it's pretty much the test. Every pants I made passed flying colors. I ain't worried. But yeah, let me know in the comments what we're thinking, and let me know what we should make next. Thank you for watching.